So in my last video, you guys saw that I replaced my OEM exhaust with a Hellfire catback exhaust.
See what it sounds like, bigger motor, a little deeper.
I ran that for about a couple of weeks and I figured, I think it's time to make it rumble. Look at all this hardware. A defouler, I got exhaust bolts, gaskets, nuts. You might know what I'm about to do.
I left my OEM stuff at his place, so I'm just gonna take it back. It sounds so good. I know I just got this exhaust and I absolutely love it. Steven killed this exhaust. So a little backstory as to why I'm already getting headers for this car. It's Hellfire Fabrications. He offered me his PLM headers if I haven't mentioned already. All I had to do was get hardware. Eventually I'll get a tune. Just got a defouler for now as a little temporary thing. As you guys know, unequal length headers bring out that Subi rumble. So I'm excited. I got a 38-minute drive ahead of me.
She's so clean.
It sounds fucking awesome. It has the right amount of rasp. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Holy shit. This thing is aggressive. Wow. The pops. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Oh my gosh. It is raining so much right now. There's a bridgeway coming up here soon. I'll give it a little sauce. Oh my god. Oh shit. This thing sounds aggressive. Holy fuck. Golly, bro. Oh my god. Slim UEL headers and the boys.
We're not them. We're not PLM headers.